Housecall Pro and Kickserv both help service businesses schedule jobs, manage customers, and send invoices, but they appeal to different kinds of small teams. The better choice usually depends on how your business operates, not which platform has the longer feature list. By the end of this video, you'll know where Housecall Pro and Kickserv differ, which one tends to fit growing service businesses better, and how to decide which platform is the right choice for your team in 2026. Here's the short answer. Small teams that want an all-in-one system with a polished mobile experience often lean toward Housecall Pro. Teams that want a more traditional field service management platform with flexible scheduling and customer management tools often choose Kickserv. Neither platform is the better option for every business. Let's start with Housecall Pro. It's designed for home service businesses such as plumbers, electricians, HVAC contractors, cleaners, and similar trades. You can manage customer information, schedule appointments, dispatch technicians, create estimates, send invoices, and accept payments from a single platform. The interface is designed to keep office staff and field technicians connected throughout the workday. Kickserv focuses on many of the same core tasks. You can organize customer records, schedule jobs, assign technicians, create estimates, generate invoices, and manage recurring work. For businesses with established office workflows, Kickserv offers a familiar approach to handling day-to-day operations. The biggest mistake business owners make is comparing feature lists instead of daily workflows. Almost every modern field service platform can schedule jobs and send invoices. The better question is, which system saves your team more time every day? Take Alex, who owns a small HVAC company with several technicians working across town. He wants technicians to receive job updates quickly, complete work orders in the field, and collect payments before leaving the customer's home. Housecall Pro fits that workflow well because everything is built around keeping the office and technicians connected. Now look at John, who runs a maintenance company with recurring commercial clients. He needs organized customer records, reliable scheduling, and a system that supports repeat service visits. Kickserv may be a better fit because it provides the tools he needs without requiring him to change the way his business already operates. One more point matters before you choose. Software only works if your team actually uses it. A platform with dozens of advanced features won't improve your business if technicians find it confusing or office staff avoid using it. Most providers offer demonstrations or trial options, and spending time with both platforms can reveal differences that aren't obvious on a feature comparison page. The decision comes down to this. Housecall Pro is often preferred by small teams looking for a modern mobile-first experience with integrated business tools. Kickserv remains a strong option for companies that value structured job management and established service workflows. Test both with your real business processes before making a decision. If this comparison helped you, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other software comparisons for small businesses.